Good morning. We are exporting our game today. That's kind of exciting for all of us. We are also submitting it for Steam's next fest. I think it's quite a great milestone, so I'm thinking to pass by a bakery or a pâtissier, I don't know, a dessert sweet shop. And I can only have it after we successfully export and we successfully submit our game today. Upon submission, Steam needs about 3 to 5 working days to review everything. They will check if our demo is a real game. There are no crashes or freezes. We are not putting external links that violates their guidelines. All this stuff. They gotta check it out. Unfortunately, we don't have much time left and we do need to submit today. So this is gonna be a stressful meeting. I do look calm because I have faith in my team. But either way, let's go get my sweet treat. And I can only have it when we successfully submit. It's like a reward, you know. $69. Anyway, let's head to work. Hello, Samantha. Let's go drop this car. My phone. I gotta get on with work. I do wanna open this and reveal the snack that I got and just kind of visualize it sitting there to motivate me. But I do have to get on with work. I do have a lot of things to push before we export and before the meeting, so I'll just have to open it after the meeting has been concluded. Lunch break, I guess. Hi, good morning. But I could not stay up. Guys, I was like, I'm so weak. I'm like asleep by 11 or 10. Are we ready? We don't need to go through the bugs. Look at the severe ones that could potentially block the players or crash things. Yeah, those are priority, and then the minor bugs I think we fix later. Yeah. Let me just screen share here. In the Steam configurations, I set the demo to be on the games page. Alright guys, let's do this. You guys pushed all your changes? Like the demo crucial stuff. But I haven't tested whether the merchant and AUG unlocks properly, but that's beyond the demo. What's up with the saving system? How are we doing there? What's working, what's not working? Yeah, I just moved that. Do we have a save icon? Do we have a trash icon? No, we don't. 1 second. I pushed the button. Someone who kicked up, please. The ones that received specifically from milestone, they shouldn't be instantly available in crafting. We are currently running into an issue with one of the features that we really want to ship for our demo, and it's just kind of broken on 4K monitors. We have no clue what's the problem here, and we're all trying to be rubber duckies and trying to brainstorm on a solution. This is our game currently, and we have this feature where when we minimize the game, this pigeon is supposed to be pecking on the taskbar. And the thing is, it does actually work on every other monitor so far but my 4K monitors. And we have no idea why that's happening. We really want to ship this feature with the demo because it is such a strong feature for a game that sits idly on your desktop. Literally. Does it make the game unplayable? Not really. Should it stop us from submitting? That's sort of like the question we have at the moment. I'm gonna go back to the meeting and see what they say. Sure. With milestones, but not my best. Brace of sword, sword one. It's not. Oh, it's shield. Where's our shield? Yeah, cool. Here. Used all of my brain cells there. All right, moment of truth. Oh my god, it works. It works. It works, guys. I will cry. I think I'm gonna cry. I don't think I'm eating that dessert I bought today at this point. We managed to export our game and I'm reading through documentation and following all the steps to submit our build. There's a lot of technical steps. It's not just like dragging your file on a Google Drive situation. But we're facing another issue before we can even submit the build. We ran our .exe game and audio is just completely broken. So now we're fixing that. We're gonna take some time to check that the exported game actually works. You can find things that work in the engine but don't work when you export. And then hopefully we can process and submit the build and have lunch because I'm getting really peckish. So we're still in the meeting and the issue with the audio has not been resolved yet, but it's past 3 p.m. and I'm actually really starving. I haven't eaten any breakfast or lunch, so I'm just currently waiting for our engineers to fix the issue. I might as well just eat before I faint. I am staying in the meeting in case they're like, hey, we fixed it, or they need my help, so I have my headphones on. Filling my lunch, it's actually rock solid, so I might actually bother to heat this up because it's really hard and cold. So for lunch, I had a really nice chicken pie that I got from that bakery this morning, the same place I got the sweet treat. It's super like hard, almost freezing like cold. So I'm probably just actually gonna bother heating it up in the kitchen real quick. Really cold today. The weather's not really looking good. We've had like really strong storms yesterday and the whole streets of Athens were flooded.
So I'm kind of concerned. I hope it doesn't pour down really strong tonight as I walk home because I wasn't smart enough to bring an umbrella. Yeah. Yeah, that's also broken. We still have a few things that we need to do. Did you get my changes? They won't load at all or work at all. That was a really good chicken pie. We are now extending the list of issues and bugs that we are discovering. The team is still investigating and trying to fix issues. These are very tech heavy issues and not really where I can help, but I'm here to test any changes they push into the game. It's looking a little bit unlikely that we are going to actually submit today, and I'm very sad. But I suppose I could show you guys what sweet treat I got in case I actually do celebrate today. Look at that beautiful pistachio cookie with pistachios on top, pistachio cream. I do really want a bite of it. Can we submit? Let's check out the team and how are they doing. I'm hearing some commotions through my headset and I'm wondering if they fixed it. I'm hearing a little bit of ooh, ah, what? And that gives me sign upon investigation that they've fixed it. Oh my goodness. "401 did not unlock in the shop." I could not load it. We're gonna fix it later. It's not important right now. We'll fix it later. It doesn't matter. Let's submit. Let's submit. It doesn't matter. It doesn't. Ignore it. Let's submit. Oh my god. I'm gonna die as well. Alright, let's do it. Let's build. Wait, let's check your current credentials and server. Oh my god. Ready for a review? Are we actually doing this? There's no crashes, right? You guys tried it out, right? Hey, we did it. I will post an update Notion and post the following notes. You guys can rest. Thank you so much for sticking through. Thank you, guys. Thank you, T2, by the way. Appreciate it. I'll see you guys whenever. Bye. Congrats, bye. Oh my god. Alright, guys. We did it and it was kind of crazy and bizarre. We have successfully submitted our demo for review. We started the meeting at 10 a.m. and I took a screenshot of how long the call went. We've been in this call trying to export the build, trying to fix it and trying to submit it and everything for 7 hours. For 7 hours straight. And my brain is melted. Congrats to the team and I feel really proud and I feel really bad. Every single brain cell I had by the end of the meeting has been depleted and tired and everybody's been sleep deprived trying to clutch for this. But we made it, so I get to have a bit of the dessert. Wow. Cheers. This is so good. As much as I'm enjoying my dessert, I am cold and I am really mentally tired. I think I'm gonna go home and enjoy the rest of my sweets. Good job, Samantha. We did great today. Alright, let's head home.
야, 이거 뭐야? I'm gonna call it a night and chill a little bit with some television. My fireplace died. If you haven't checked out our game, look at Packers. It's on Steam. Bye!